Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers.
Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Pyramids 3, Orlando Pirates 2. I'm joined by Mfanase Lady Smith.
Steve,
Don't forget to subscribe.
go Asanda.
Actually, remember.
Steve, once again, akubingelele uGrand
Nandi. Happy as always.
Steve, sibuye for another game.
Yeah.
Orlando Pirates game against Pyramids, a painful one for South African fans, especially Sowetan Orlando Pirates fans. They expected a lot. If you back when I came here, Sundowns won the game and they said, okay, at least it's Sundowns.
Yeah.
The final will be played in South Africa. Yeah. So I just want to humble myself and firstly congratulate the young players who scored. It's a big thing for them to score in the final. It's something engayenziwa noma ubani if you bheka ukuthi in the history of CAF Champions League, it's not something that you can do nje nanominini.
Yeah.
Especially Relebogile Mufokeng. Yeah. He had a fantastic season.
Great.
In the CAF Champions League. I know he has been compared with so many players, overseas players, but the boy has been performing, trying by all means to prove to himself, because I think this boy has got this mentality of everything I do for my name, I do for myself, rather than listening to what fans are saying. There was a time when Relebogile Mofokeng, everybody saying he has lost form. Relebogile Mofokeng is not playing well. Why they keep on playing him? They keep on playing him. Do you get me? Then after the boys got 2 goals against Sundowns, he shut the whole South Africa. Everybody who was doubting him. So I just want to say you tried to take Orlando Pirates, because I can just say it. He tried to take Orlando Pirates to the final. I think he's one of the top 5 players who contributed more for Orlando Pirates to get to the stage. Yeah. If you bear with the goals he scored, the assists he made, all the way from group stages, not making sure that they don't lose the games, no matter which opponents they play against. You look at teams like SCR Blues. We thought Orlando Pirates they are not coming back, but look at Kota scoring 2 goals in the first half. You look at teams like MC Alger. They are currently leading the Algerian league, but Orlando Pirates they brought in the results and they progress to the next stage. You look at Pyramids, FNB. It was one uphunyuke embobeni na lead, but baphunyukile. Yeah. They kept the record. We are unbeaten in the CAF Champions League. So coming to this game, I think Coach Jose Rivero, he tried. It is a record for Orlando Pirates ever since I think 1937. Run the CAF Champions League. If I'm not mistaken, I'm not sure, because when they won the CAF in 1997, I was not there. I wasn't born yet. But I don't know I don't know if they lost some games or Baba Village bahamba straight baya kwi-finali njengoba becishe benza this time yangithola. So I just want to congratulate them for reaching this stage. It's not something enziwa noma ubani, especially kwi-football yase-Africa. We know North Africans have been dominating CAF Champions League football for many years. Uyazi ukuthi finally kodlala i-Al Ahly ne-Esperance, kodlala ini ne-Al Ahly, kodlala like it's been the same thing years and yangithola. So manje I just want to say Sundowns did very well ukuthi bayikhiphe Al Ahly. They are showing ukuthi manje they have to be scared of South African football. Yeah. we are really strong manje le South Africa. I think the whole Africa ama-countries ngokuhlukahlukana kwawo, they have to see manje ukuthi there's actually South Africa. South Africa is very dangerous.
On the map.
Yangithola?
Yeah.
So manje this thing isize kakhulu, especially for ukuthi Patrice Motsepe get to that stage ukuthi abe careful. I think nayo that thing contributed a lot ukuthi sibe nalama matches namhlanje. It's the first time, I think, I don't know, angazi noma yakenzeka before ukuthi ama-South African teams abe kwi-final ngapha kwi-semi-final ngapha nangapha kwi-CAF. I don't think yakenzeka. It's been Sundowns ilokhu ingena ama-semi-finals iphuma, semi-finals iphuma, uyangithola. Even i-Kaizer Chiefs mayifika ku-final, it was i-Kaizer Chiefs alone ilokhu ihamba yodwa aze yofika ku-final. So I just want to get in today's game. I think Jose Rivero ile tactic yakhe yokusebenzisa specific lineups for specific opponents. Yangithola approach. Leo approach ibizwa nge-approach ethi I don't want to become unpredictable. Yangithola, like you are increasing chances of becoming unpredictable. So when he approaches a game, especially if ubheka kwi-Betway Premiership, CAF Champions League nama-Cups, agezi nge same formation noma the same tactics every time. There's a defined formation approach leyo isebenzisayo by some of our coaches, best coaches around the world. I'm telling you about Carlo Ancelotti, I'm telling you about Mikel Arteta, so many coaches ngabala ethi noma uwazi ukuthi Martinelli uzobedlala la next game, uma uplay against uyazi Martinelli uzobe lapha. But as for Jose Rivero, this approach he has been trying it. I think iqale against Mamelodi Sundowns, where Sundowns expected ukuthi vele Paris izofika nge-4-2-3-1 system yabo, but uthema introduce le system ya three defenders emuva. It surprised abantu abaningi. And after ama-coaches, ngikutshela imfihlo Thiba, ama-coaches as South Africa, they started playing their formation against Mamelodi Sundowns after Jose Rivera esebenzile. Bebedlala nge-back four all this time, ama-coaches, ama-teams ahlukahlukene. But bayibona ukuthi okay, it's working. So they started attacking ama-fullbacks all the time. So ngifuna kuyichaza nje kancane le formation ngendlela eyiyona. Okay, so le formation, it's not actually 5 flat defenders, yangithola. So it's actually 3 flat defenders, then there are 2 wing backs. So ma defender, it's a 5-2-2-1, yangithola. It's 5-2-2-1. Then when you attack, it's 3-4-2-1, yangithola. So it's a Makgopa all the time as 1-1-1-1. So that is why Makgopa is very important for le formation le, because that's one kind of a player operating like Abo Boniface style odlalela eBayer Leverkusen. So it's who is one of those kind of strikers angahlali laphaya as ama striker ama ST. Center forward, we all know that, but he's that one kind of a C. He's not that one kind of a CF, but he can help as and also plays a second striker, also plays an AM, CM, and also help in the back line. So he fits their system ngendlela le edlalwa ngakhona. So that is why Mfukeng beno Mohaung Kota, they are very crucial for le formation. Le formation lena uthola ukuthi udlala ngama number 10, but lama number 10 awahleli as ama number 10. They are playing as amamezala. Amamezala are half wingers, half central midfielders. So they are operating in 2 spaces. If they don't find spaces in the midfield, then they go wide, where they can play wide. But it's not every time they have to stay wide. So it's up to Wuti Timmy Petty Bowler, because when the Orlando Pirates is off possession, they always touch ama half spaces so that they can receive it bowler. If someone gets it bowler like Makaula or Rumbat, every time they make a run, a crucial run, ukuthi baba gijima la kuma spaces, because ukudlala wide kwi channel no nalo adlala kwi channel akukusizi, because you have to come over ukuthi ubuye back kube ngazathi usuzongena eboxini. But ma udlala kuma spaces, it gives you more chances ukuthi ungene kalula eboxini. So bona they just stay there bobabili. If they get this pass, if ubheka unkotha, I think if you calculate ama passes, how many runs awenzayo, how many runs awenzile. If ubheka uMfukeng, same thing ebiyenza ngalapha. So it's those kind of players akwazi ukufitha le system ya 3-4-2-1, because this system, it doesn't, abantu ngiyabezwa bathi it's attack with ama-fullbacks. No, ama-fullbacks, they are there for supports. Yangithola. There's a difference between attacking abantu and support. They are supporting the attack line and also supporting the defense line. Yangithola. So it's the responsibility abayo ukuthi ukuhlala lapha phambili ukuthi every time ba receive amabhola lawa aphumayo. Bona basupporta kwi-channel ngoba laba bedlala boyi-2 kuma-half spaces laba bakuma-channel boyi-2 so mabekwazi ukuthi bagijime kulama channels laba then laba it makes their job easier for them but it didn't get much of ama-chances ukuthi bagijime kulama channels lawa because of le back 4 ye-pyramid ebingasuki emuva every time ba-attacker bayazi ukuthi midfield yabo bayi-operate kanjani if ubheka le-out le I think uTore bedlala number 7 beka-operator yedwa la phansi angithola angazi ukuthi mayesephethe ngapha kumakhawula aphinde azolibuyisa alibeke ngapha ngibathi bazi bamkhipha yangithola belokhe lithi kamnandi yangithola akagijimi akasense power everything keep it composed so midfield bebazi ukuthi okay with that guy alone si right thina ngithola asinankinga i-problem ebebenayo ukuthi singena kanjani epalini okay Pirates, I think they by checking this thing with their set pieces. I think they have to go back to drawing board. With how can we defend our set pieces? Because if you beggar the goal that they scored, the third goal, it was a set piece. If you beggar with him, a corner layer. Goalkeeper, okay. I won't blame goalkeeper. I think la panic decision being Lions fast, but he didn't get enough time when the decision. But my Liza Lili Pola we are shy omunye lisha goalkeeper help push mile pusher it was a responsibility of defender ye Orlando Pirates ukuthi kwazi ukubamba le ball keep if ubheka there was a header edlalwe uMahopa mele that time ibhola liza direct on target then uMahopa wal header because of lamadita lawa they were getting so much space la bayakwazi ukuzoperate la in between the lines while defending a set piece nakule ya free kick I think isuke le ibhola la hamba la ngaleyo ngithola maluwela liya ngale it was the same thing enzakele whereby these guys can operate in between the spaces like Orlando Pirates ngazathi may defend the set piece they have to check ukuthi bayakwazi ukumark ama players because I think they mark more of ukuthi sizohlala la sibe united zonke ukuthi sibe sendaweni esikhaleni esizodwa so if labantu laba abaphasa ibhola la kuthina solwini then bengabheki abanye abantu abahleli bodwa abahlezi be free yangithola so there are some of those things that they have to look for because I don't think babe nayo ukuthi ekhanda singashayeka ngama set piece yangithola bona nje should ba mabona ukuthi izokhombana le team and score those goals yangithola but I want to give credit to Fiston Mayele ngakhuluma ngaye Steve Mfyala kuwe uthi Pirates is playing against Pyramids Fiston Mayele yangithola ngingakadlali ngisho first leg ngingakadlali ngisho first leg ngakutshela they are playing against Pyramids Fiston Mayele ngase ngiyithulela because manje that guy ngabe yabona that guy I think he has to go I think he has to go to Europe right now yamuntu dangerous lo muntu yabona striker unpredictable yabona lesa striker is more of ngizombiza ngani because I see the striker lesihlala on boxing box striker but he's a striker engasibiza more of a mobile is more from a mobile striker he can move in the between the lines alright he can move in spaces he is able to recognize the space beka la bhola leli shayelwa eside la Van Rooyen malingena ngaphakathi akajahi defend but us create a space bona bagada ibhola ababoni lemva kwabo khona uthema eligeja lomchisa ngazi noma uxokini then kwase ngena igoli yangithola leli alikore immediately after umfuke ngakorile I think nayo lento this thing ikhawathe kakhulu iPirates I think it's over excitement after scoring ama goals so every time abakora goal selangena every time abakora goal selangena kanjani because manje into abeyenza it was a responsibility ama defenders to ensure ukuthi structures is keeping them move okay they have scored ama goal abafana abasebenzile so thina at the back sekusala question mark what do we do yangithola so they didn't do umsebenzi wabo ngokuphelele I think nombukazi naye yedwa uzamile umfana bengeka yenze yedwa they have to work together bonke bobathathu but ke I just want to congratulate Pyramids all the way to the final against Mamelodi Sundowns and Mamelodi Sundowns ingayithathi light ingathi ngoba iPirates scored 2 goals bese becawuna nabo bokora 2 goals it's not that is Fiston Mayele man of the match
Ayamangantwana